To limit your battery from charging past 80%, or another custom amount, we'll go to Settings first and from there scroll down to Battery. On Samsung tablets, you'll see an option for Battery Protection. Some tablets will have this under something like Adaptive Charging, Battery Care, or something similar. Mine has a few different options here. The basic setting will allow my tablet to drop the charge to 95% even when plugged into a charger, which is good if you want to maximize your battery's lifespan. The maximum setting allows me to tell my tablet to stop charging when it reaches a certain percentage, for example, 80%. The reason why someone would limit their charge is that lithium-ion batteries don't like being completely full or completely empty. The chemical tension is highest at the extremes, so keeping the charge in the 20% to 80% range can significantly slow down the degradation of the battery's total capacity. If your tablet doesn't have a native feature for limiting the charge, you can download a third-party app like AccuBattery. It won't physically stop your tablet from charging past a set percentage, but it can set off an alarm when you hit a certain charge, helping you extend your battery's lifespan. That's all I got. Click that like button if this helped you, and subscribe for more guides like this.